Hello friends, welcome. So in this video we are going to configure OSPF routing protocols. So as you know that OSPF routing protocols is working on area base, and I have divided this network into this diagram into three networks, but it has three area as well. This is area 20, area 0 and area 10. So I already assigned IP address to these devices as well. For example, this laptop and the port of this router, faster over 0 and faster over 1, as well as this router and also this PC. So this network is /24 from class C IP address 1.0, and this is 2.0, and this is 3.0. So let's start our configuration. So I have already configured RIP routing protocols. So first of all, we need to remove RIP routing protocols. For this purpose, we can go to global configuration mode, and we can say that no router RIP. Let me show you for once. Show protocols, show IP protocols. As you can see here, there's RIP routing protocols already configured. So first of all, we need to remove this and configure OSPF instead of RIP. So global configuration mode, no router RIP, and save it. Show IP protocols, protocols. Okay, once we entered, as you can see, there's no, it's not showing any routing protocols. It means that we have removed successfully RIP routing protocols. In here, we have to remove show IP protocols, sorry, it is showing configured RIP routing protocols. First of all, we need to remove this no router RIP. Okay, save. Show IP protocols. It is showing nothing. So now we have to start our configuration on the OSPF. So we need to go to this router. I have already assigned IP address to this to all of these devices. Show IP interface brief. As you can see, this IP address assigned to this port and this IP address assigned to this port. So let's move to global configuration mode, and now we are going to see router OSPF in this case, and it needs a process ID. So we can give any process ID from this range. For example, I'm going to give process ID of 10 for this. Now we have to specify our network. So in the OSPF is also a kind of dynamic routing protocols. And dynamic routing protocols, we basically were assigning the connected networks to our routers. So the connected network to our router, the one is 2.0 and 1.0. We have to specify these networks. So I'm going to say network 192.168.1.0, but it is working based on wildcard mask. It is somehow reverse of 0.0.0.255. So, and also you have to specify it is area, that this network is on which area. This network 1.0 is on area 20. So we have to specify area as well, area 20. Okay, and we have to specify the second network as well, network 192.168.2.0. 2.0 is this network with wildcard mask of 0.0.0.255, and it is located in area 0. Okay, in this process. Okay, now show IP protocols. If I check it, show IP protocols, it is saying that you have configured OSPF routing protocols with process ID of 10, and it okay, maximum path, and this networks are specified, and many more informations. So now let's configure the OSPF routing protocols in this router as well. So for this purpose, we need to go to global configuration mode, and we have to say router OSPF with process ID of, for example, 20, and we have to specify our network, and we have to assign the connected network to this router. To this router, the connected networks are 3.0 and 2.0. 3.0 is in area 18 and 2.0 is in area 0. Okay. Network 192.168.3.0 with wildcard mask of 0.0.0.255. It is located in area 10. Second network is network 192.168.2.0 with wildcard mask of 0.0.0.255. It is located in area 0. Okay, that's it. And we have to end this configuration and save it and show IP protocols. It is showing that you have configured OSPF routing protocols and these networks are assigned. This is belong to area 10 and the second is belong to area 0. So also we can check show IP route. Okay, this network is connected, this network is also connected. Okay, we have configured OSPF routing protocol in this two router successfully. Okay, let's check that can we ping from PC0 to PC1 and check it. So I already assigned IP address to this all of these devices. For example, if you can check 1.1 is assigned to this PC and 1.2 is assigned to this port of router fast 0/0, so that it can play as a default gateway for this PC. So first of all, let us ping our default gateway, that we have access to our default gateway or not. Okay, ping 192.168.1.2. This is our default gateway. Okay, we have a response from our default gateway. So let us ping the IP address of this router, fast 0/0. The IP address of fast 0/0 is 2.2 because 2.1 is assigned to this port and 2.2 is assigned to this port. It is ping this that we have connection or not. 2.2. Okay, we have connection. Now let us ping this PC. The IP address of this laptop is 3.1 and the IP address of this port is fast 0/1 is 3.2. And let's ping this laptop. Okay, ping 3.1. Okay. Okay, we have our response successfully. So it means that we have successfully configured OSPF routing protocols based on three area 20, area 10 and area 0. So if I turn on my simulation, you can see that we have a connection between this PC, this laptop and this laptop. The packet is forwarding to routers, from router to switch and back to this, it is sending a response back to this PC0. Okay, great. So this is how we can configure OSPF routing protocols. OSPF routing protocols is one of the famous routing protocols that it is using in a wide networks because it is working on area base, and that's it. This is the comments, all of the comments that we can use it for configuring OSPF. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.